Welcome to the exciting world of machine learning in Python, where we transform data into intelligent predictions. A machine learning model is essentially an algorithm trained on data to identify patterns and make decisions without explicit programming. Our journey begins by importing essential Python libraries, which are like toolkits for our machine learning tasks. We'll primarily use pandas for efficient data manipulation and Scikit-Learn, the go-to library for various machine learning algorithms. Next, we load our data, often from sources like CSV files, and prepare it for the model. This preparation involves cleaning the data, handling missing values, and transforming features to make them suitable for analysis. We then split our dataset into training and testing sets, typically an 80% training and 20% testing split, to ensure our model can generalize well. Choosing the right machine learning model depends on your problem. For instance, linear regression for continuous values or logistic regression for classification. Scikit-Learn offers a wide array of algorithms for these purposes, making it incredibly versatile. Once a model is selected, we train it by fitting it to our training data, allowing the algorithm to learn the underlying patterns. This is where the model truly begins to understand the relationships within the data. After training, we evaluate the model's performance using the unseen test data. Common evaluation metrics include accuracy, precision, and recall for classification, or mean squared error for regression. These metrics provide numerical insights into how effective our model truly is. Finally, with a well-trained and evaluated model, we can make predictions on new, real-world data. This demonstrates the practical application of our machine learning pipeline, bringing our project to life. By following these structured steps, you can build robust and effective machine learning solutions in Python. Keep exploring, keep learning, and unlock the incredible potential of artificial intelligence.